Meantime, an Idaho judge approving Bryan Kohberger's request for a new attorney in his attempt at getting a new trial. This after he previously pled guilty to murdering 4 University of Idaho students back in 2022. Legal and political analyst Mehek Cooke joins me now. Mehek, he decided to get a lawyer, stop representing himself, but I don't know. Regardless, I think this latest maneuver is going to fail. Do you agree?
Todd, I do. I think this is a very bizarre change of events because when you look at the guilty plea, this is how our justice system is set up. The judge looked at Bryan Kohberger. He asked if he understood that he was pleading guilty, that he was not made any false promises. Not only did Bryan Kohberger sign a written statement pleading guilty, he was in open court, said he wasn't promised anything, understood a guilty plea for 4 murders. So for him to now reverse course, it's going to be a very high bar for any court to say he had, for instance, ineffective assistance of counsel. Bryan is going to have to go in there and say his counsel made some materially false claim that drove him to plead guilty, and that's going to be a very hard sell.
That's the legal. There's also the emotional, the extreme emotional. The sister of Kaylee Goncalves writing on Facebook, quote, "For him, this may be another legal filing. For me, it's another day without my sister. And every time this case is dragged back into the spotlight because of another filing, another theory, or another attempt to rewrite history, families like mine are forced to relive the worst day of our lives." Mehek, that says it perfectly.
It really does. And it was gut-wrenching because many of the families that sat there during the trial were hoping that they would have an answer to why. Why did this happen? Why did their families have to endure such pain? And Bryan Kohberger not only pled guilty, but he decided not to make a statement, an apology, some sort of closure for families. So now to open up a wound and say, I had ineffective assistance of counsel, I'm not guilty, when, let me just say, the court gave him the greatest gift. They took out the death penalty to drag these families through the worst of the worst experiences in their lives is just despicable. So I hope that when he makes this plea, that the judge finds that he didn't have ineffective assistance of counsel, and these families finally get closure from this terrible incident.
Another case in the spotlight, the Nolan Wells case. His mother is reportedly subpoenaing social media and tech companies in an attempt to find answers in her son's death. Her son, of course, his body was found after a July 4th boat trip off the coast of Mississippi. Companies subpoenaed include Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, and Life 360. Mehek, what do you think the family's looking for?
Todd, answers. He's an 18-year-old kid that disappears on July 4th that never got on a boat with his friend. There are so many questions, and the story is not adding up. Why wasn't his son back on the boat, as his friends allege? So the greatest gift that social media companies can give this family is a digital footprint on what happened, because people can remember things differently, but a digital footprint actually gives timestamps, locations, and could actually build a potential case to use it potentially even against the friends that are saying he was never on the boat. But I think this is crucial in getting justice in this case.
It could also be used to find stuff that's not there, deleted posts that could also help tell the story. Mehek Cooke, great insight. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.